Alright guys, good morning to you. I think let me use this as selfie to be better, yeah? Good morning. Welcome to my live video. But this morning I'm not going to do something much. I'm just here editing my videos because I have a lot of videos to edit. Because anybody hear me? Alright, so you can join me. Let's do this together. If you can hear me, just say something in the comment section. And join me, let's. I think I need to bring this camera close. Oh, yeah. Trying to make it look better so that everybody watching me can see me and can hear me. Sorry guys, sometimes when you want to do a live stream, you go through stress trying to set up, trying to make things right and all. So okay, what I'll do, I'll end this live and then start it again because I can't really understand. I don't know whether make it